welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my everyday quick and easy makeup routine for blonde hair. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright y'all, so let's go on and get started. So basically, you know how everyone's always like, whenever anyone does like everyday, I'm just clipping my hair back, an everyday makeup routine, they're always like, obviously I don't wear makeup every day, but for the days that I do wear makeup, this is what I'm wearing. Yeah, this is not one of those tutorials, because now that I'm rocking the blonde, by the way, if you haven't seen the video on how to make this lace closure wig and get this color, then it is my last video, but I'll also link it down below or put it on the screen or something. You should go watch it, okay? My lighting is a little bright, I think. Turn it down. So I'm just doing my eyebrows with the e.l.f. brow pomade in espresso. But yeah, everyone always says, yeah, obviously I don't wear makeup every day, but if I did, this is the look, And that's not one of these tutorials, because with the blonde, I have to wear makeup. I look kind of sick. Like, I feel like if I was running to Walmart real quick, I probably wouldn't put on makeup, but I probably wouldn't put on the wig in the first place. But I look kind of sick. It just washes me out a little bit. So I need a little something. So this is that type of makeup. Just a little something that isn't too much and doesn't take too long. But I don't want to take forever, so I'm gonna just cut to it. You don't have to watch me do my eyebrows. It's real simple anyway. Alright, so brows are done. I set it with the NYX Bear With Me eyebrow setter. If you guys have any recommendations for an eyebrow gel, let me know, because the NYX one is nice, but like I definitely feel like it sets it pretty well, but also at the same time I feel like I'm like fighting to get products out of the thing. This look is really simple, guys, honestly. And then I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow. I didn't carve out my brows because it's supposed to be a quick and simple look. If I was taking a little bit more time, putting a little bit more effort, I would probably clean up under the brow a little bit, but I wasn't too messy, so I'm not gonna do that. And I'm on my way to work, so there's no need for that. So for lashes, I'm using the Ardell 207 lashes. These look really nice on their own. You can use whatever lash you love wearing by itself. Something that's dramatic but not too dramatic, you know. You know the vibes. And then I'm just using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in clear, and I'm just gonna put these on. While the lash glue is getting tacky, I'm going to prime my face. I'm gonna use the Hard Candy the Sheer and Bring mattifying primer. I don't have a preference in mattifying or doing primers for these kind of looks. Just kind of depends on what I feel like. This is a mattifying primer, but it feels so hydrating. I don't know if I've ever mentioned that. Oh, before I put the lashes on, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. So any black eyeshadow. I'm taking this one from the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to line really close to my lash line, just so that the lashes blend better. You could do a little line of like eyeliner if you want to, but I'm just doing shadow, so it's really soft, and also it's not that hard to get off. My least favorite thing about wearing makeup to work is taking it off when I come home. Like, I just want to chill, but instead I gotta take all this makeup off. So I used eyeshadow instead of eyeliner because easier to get off. You could also do brown for a much softer look. A brown liner would be really pretty too. So that's it pretty much for the eyes. I'm not even zoomed in. You guys couldn't even see that. Anyway, like I said, just a little bit of black eyeshadow, then the lashes. And then I'm going to let this set for a bit. And then I'm going to curl the lash just so it really presses into my lash line. Biggest secret, like my biggest secret for wearing lashes by themselves. Yeah, okay, moving on to the face. I keep the face really simple for a day-to-day basis. I don't like doing too much. I don't like wearing foundation too often. If I'm feeling a little bit more special, I might put on a BB cream, but today I'm not feeling that. Like I said, I'm just going to work. So I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer, and I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes. And then on my chin, a little bit on the nose. And I'm going to blend that out with a sponge, and then I'm going to put some powder for the rest of my face. Ooh, I just got my nose piercing changed. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have like a little ring now instead of the stud. And that sucker hurts. It literally like just stopped hurting like last week. And I was like, all right, bet. I'm going to change it to the hoop that I want. Now it hurts all over again. It hurts like hell. Because he basically had to reappear. I don't know what the fuck happened. So for powder, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus loose powder in the color Deep. Oh my god, I love this powder. And I'm gonna use my foundation brush to put it on, just so I can pack it on a little bit better. Do I want to use this one? Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. It's just a large powder brush, and if I want a little bit more coverage, I'll use the foundation brush. But I love this powder so much, guys. I'm gonna switch to my foundation brush for the forehead because I just want a little bit more coverage there. But all right, so now I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Bear With Me. I've been obsessed with this, guys. I've been meaning to buy another one to put in my bag because I just love that powder so much. All right, so of course for contour bronzing, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love this powder. Obviously, I'm always using it, and I've never considered buying another one. Alright, so we're gonna go back to the eyes for a little bit. I'm just gonna take an eyelash curler and curl my lashes so that it really sticks to the lash base. And that really helps hide the lashes a little bit better. The black eyeshadow really already does most of the job for you, but for extra hide the lash power. Be careful not to do this too early because if your lashes are still drying and setting, you will take the lash off, and that's really unfortunate. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on. Y'all know I've been loving the e.l.f. blush from this Baked Blush palette in Deep. Just that one, I don't know, it just really does it for me. Now we're gonna do a little bit of highlights and then we're practically done. So for highlight, y'all already know the Ulta Baked Bronzer in Radiance is my all-time favorite highlight, and it's the only one that I will use by itself. I think I say this every time, but it's heavenly. Okay, we're gonna spray the face one final time. I'm looking like really light under my under eyes on camera for some reason, but I promise you guys I don't look like that in person. I think it's just the lighting. Gonna quickly put some chapstick on for lips. For the most part, I would either just wear the chapstick like this. Y'all know I'm not big on like lip products. But if I wanted to do a little bit more, I would just put on clear lip gloss. If I wanted to do the most, I would use a brown lip liner. This is actually a brown eyeliner from Absolute New York. Because I saw it in the beauty supply and I was like, I'm gonna get it. Because I haven't been able to find a brown lip liner. And I was gonna line my lips. Alright, and then with the brown lip liner, I might just put on clear gloss. Like I said, I'm trying to do the most here. So I'm going to take the Alyssa Ashley and e.l.f. lip gloss that's in Nude Rose. I love this lip gloss. And just put that on top of my lips. And that's it for this look. Brush the hair out a little bit. I'm just using my Tangle Buster brush to brush this out. This is like my favorite brush, y'all. On my hair, on bundles. So gentle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below. And until next time, spread love, be kind. Bye, guys.